Hi, I'm Georgia and I'm going to be showing you how to make some pressed flower art. So first you need to forage for some flowers, so it could be in your garden or anywhere else that you could find some flowers that you could forage for responsibly. And then you just need to pick them all and layer them into your press between the paper and the cardboard sheets. And once you've layered them all up, then you just need to screw on the screws, and then what I did was just tighten them every few days just to really squeeze the moisture out of your flowers to make them nice and flat. I used tweezers to take my flowers out of the press just so that I didn't damage any of the delicate petals, and once I took them out I just laid them onto the frame and just arranged them how I wanted them and how I wanted them to look. Once you've done that, I then just added a tiny dot of glue just to keep them in place, and then once they're all in the right places, then you're finished.